sé Caroline agus a briam le ArtsEkta ar feadh beidir gábhlíonn. Tá agsúil go mór leis an féile Diwali Samhain. Tá chlár úntaach den féile an bhliain seo le dansaiami dosóirí ón Albáin agus freisin dosóirí ón Fermanagh agus at First Light agus dosóirí ón ArtsEkta.
My name is Nisha Tandon and I am the director of ArtsEkta. ArtsEkta is basically the first arts organisation which promotes the ethnic minority arts within the context of Island of Ireland. Diwali is our religious festival, but it being religious, it also has its social context as well, and there's a long history, you know. But the festival of lights, or Diwali, means row of lights. Samhain is exactly the same. It is a pagan Halloween thing, and it's fireworks, swan, moonlight. This year we are celebrating it for full 1 week.
Beidh an chlár arsúil Iarsmalann Uladh, idir an céad lá de míad Samhain go dtí an 6 lá de mí Samhain.